Welcome to today's video. Did you know that millions of tons of sweet corn are harvested in the US each year? And what's special is that this process is not only simple, but also full of mysteries. Let's explore the modern and fascinating methods that American farmers use to harvest sweet corn like you've never seen before. Sweet corn isn't just a favorite food for many. It also plays a crucial role in the global agricultural industry. But the question is, did you know that these harvesting methods can affect the quality and sweetness of each kernel? Let's find out. In this video, we will dive deep into the process of planting, caring for, and harvesting sweet corn, from the seeds to the processed products. And don't forget, we have some exciting surprises along this journey of exploration. Are you ready? Let's get started. To begin our journey into harvesting sweet corn, we need to understand the process of planting and caring for corn plants. Sweet corn, also known as American corn, is typically grown in areas with warm climates and fertile soil. But what makes growing sweet corn special? Let's find out. First, farmers prepare the soil by tilling to enhance aeration and fertility. They often use organic fertilizers to provide the necessary nutrients for the crops. An interesting fact is that sweet corn requires soil with a pH level between 5.8 and 7.0 for optimal growth. The farmer sows the seeds in the spring when the soil temperature reaches about 10 degrees Celsius. This helps the seeds germinate quickly. The seeds are sown in rows, with a distance of about 70 to 90 centimeters between the rows to give the plants enough space to grow. When the corn plants start to germinate, care becomes more important than ever. Farmers must ensure adequate watering and monitor the health of the plants. They also use modern pest control measures to protect the crops from pests and diseases without harming the environment. With advances in technology, many farmers now use modern machinery to monitor crop growth. They utilize sensors and automatic irrigation systems, which help conserve water and labor time. Some farms even use drones to inspect crops from the air. About 80 to 100 days after sowing, the corn plants will begin to produce ears. This is a crucial time because proper care will significantly impact the yield and quality of the sweet corn that farmers will harvest later. With the advancement of technology, American farmers are applying advanced techniques to optimize the sweet corn production process. But what specific technologies are they using to ensure yield and quality? Let's explore. One of the most prominent technologies is the use of drones. These drones not only help farmers monitor the condition of the crops, but also collect data on moisture levels, temperature, and plant health. This enables them to make more accurate decisions regarding irrigation and fertilization. In addition, sensors installed in the soil are also a crucial part of the modern process. These sensors measure moisture, pH levels, and nutrient factors in the soil, allowing farmers to know when to irrigate or apply additional fertilizer. This combination not only saves water, but also enhances farming efficiency. Technology doesn't stop at machinery. Mobile applications are also becoming essential tools that help farmers monitor and manage their farms effectively. They can track weather data, irrigation schedules, and even control machinery remotely. Did you know that to harvest millions of tons of sweet corn each year, American farmers use advanced technology? Let's explore the modern harvesting methods that will amaze you. In the past, harvesting corn required dozens of manual laborers, but today, everything has changed. Thanks to modern combine harvesters, hundreds of acres of corn can be harvested in just a few hours. These machines not only cut the corn, but also separate the kernels right in the field, saving time and effort. Each of these machines can harvest up to 200 tons of corn each day, an astonishing figure. Moreover, the equipment is programmed to automatically sort the corn as it's harvested, ensuring uniform quality when it reaches consumers. But it doesn't stop at mechanization. American farmers also utilize GPS technology and automated controls to optimize the harvesting process. This helps minimize waste, maximize yield, and ensure that every corn cob is handled perfectly. Comparing this to other countries, especially in developing regions, we see that corn harvesting still relies heavily on manual labor. This starkly highlights the difference in scale and technology where the US leads. It's no surprise that America is one of the world's largest corn exporters. From the field to processing plants, each step in the process is carried out accurately and swiftly. You might not think harvesting corn could be this advanced, but the reality is that technology has completely transformed American agriculture. Now, let's explore the modern corn processing plants, where delicious fresh kernels are transformed into high-quality products for consumers. Corn processing plants in the US are equipped with modern technology that optimizes production processes. From washing, peeling, to packaging, everything is done automatically. This not only saves time, but also ensures food safety and product quality. It's not just machinery. Human involvement is also crucial. Workers in the plant regularly check product quality to ensure every item meets the highest safety and quality standards. Modern processing plants are also adopting advanced automation technologies such as robotics and smart management systems to improve production efficiency. These technologies not only help increase productivity, but also minimize. With modern technology and efficient processing procedures, the US not only meets domestic demands, but also exports sweet corn products worldwide, reaffirming its leading position in global agriculture. The future of sweet corn farming looks bright. With advancements in biotechnology and sustainable farming methods, farmers are looking for new ways to enhance productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Initiatives such as crop rotation and organic farming are becoming increasingly popular. Thank you for watching today's video on how American farmers harvest sweet corn. If you found this information interesting, Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Let us know what you'd like to learn about in future videos.